then open them.
Yeah.
You gotta go find them first. Look, there's some over there.
Go find some more
Go get
eggs.
some more.
Is this sunscreen or what is
Yeah,
this?
sunscreen and yogurt.
Ivy girl, what are you doing? Are you hunting eggs? We go find some quick before the kids get it all. Do you see any eggs? Let's see. How's it going over here? Tegan. Let's see.
No, we'll open it after we find them.
Oh, another.
You think that's more because of Mel?
Soren.
You go to church just, oh, okay.
No, there's not one in there.
Yeah,
You know what?
yeah,
Maybe there's
fair
some over
enough.
here.
Um,
Over here?
but he seems good. I mean, spirits, all things considered.
Around this tree. Oh, you just found another 2. Ivy's cleaning up, y'all. Just want you to know. Ooh. Ivy girl,
I'm going to cut a hole in the bottom of the bag.
do you see others? Oh! That's a sweet find. That's extra large.
Oh, wow.
Videotape me with that?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, these are Brant's eggs.
You have eggs in your bag. We'll eat it after we find some more. How's it going, Silas? Can I see your bag? How many eggs do you have in there?
It's got like 4 in
You want to see?
see.
Here, maybe we can tape you. If I can find the button.
Does it have like the
It does, somewhere. I can't see it. Anyway.
Okay, what else? Are there any more eggs?
Are there any more?
Getting colder. Getting hotter. I guess we're going to miss out on that one.
Oh, that's so fun.
We did, actually, sometimes. Oh. That was mine. That was mine making that noise.
Let me
Are there
see.
others?
What do you have? Look how many eggs. Well done. Oh, look. Ivy.
There's one hiding.
Let's look.
Look in the grass. Look in the tall grass. Watch out for snakes.
Yeah. Every other day of the year, you should stay away from tall grass.
Wow.
Today it's full of candy.
Yeah. We found a snake last week.
Oh, really?
Weekend. Yeah. We had pretty long grass. Oh, did you find it? Did you find it? All right. Good job.
Or they could all sit right here and eat.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Is that it? Are they all
Oh,
done?
no, there's got to be more. Let's dominate, Ivy. Let's find more.
Oh, Ivy, let me see.
We're going to win this competition.
Oh, I found an egg. Is that mine?
What's inside the hooks for everyone?
Okay, so when you want to sit on the tent, find some eggs. Sit on the tent and eat.
What's inside the eggs?
For the big boys.
What's in there, Soren? What's in the egg?
I'm so proud of them for being able to. I know.
Raisins? Yum.
I know, Gio.
Yum.
No.
Tegan, let's
Y'all
see.
want to sit on the tent and eat?
Tegan, look at
wow.
that.
Wow, you actually
Eggs.
found quite a few.
Sweetheart,
Look at all your eggs.
They're probably eating inside.
So many.
Yeah. Let's see.
That was perfect. Just enough.
rocks.
And then it's already in it.
Did you take a picture of the pinata?
Oh, I
Because
didn't.
it is
Here, I'll get a video.
full, it is full of eggs.
Okay.
Papas are like